So now we come to the fourth challenge, which is the complex supply chain ecosystem. Most financial institutions rely on third-party service providers to fulfill their digital operations. Even if the financial institution's security systems are very resilient against cyber attacks, third-party service providers may represent a weak link in the chain of cybersecurity. Threat actors are increasingly targeting software vendors, then delivering malicious code to customers in the supply chain via product downloads or updates that seem too legitimate. These attacks compromise software distribution systems and allow threat actors to get access to the networks of the supplier's customers. The SolarWinds breach, one of the most significant attacks in recent times, was a supply chain attack. Attackers gained access to SolarWinds network and infected its management software with malware to target thousands of companies, including banks and government agencies. The SolarWinds breach serves as a powerful reminder of the financial services sector's potential vulnerability to cyber attacks and disruptions due to their reliance on third-party suppliers and service providers over whom they have little or no control over cybersecurity. Cybersecurity risks created by third-party suppliers